Hello there, Taylor with the Mal Tiempo Report. En este informe hablo en español primero y después en English until the computer just explodes into flames or something of the sort. Yes, pues entonces, esta zona aquí, esta tormenta aquí, Huracán Gil, es el tormenta más fuerte en el momento. Pero esta tormenta es el tormenta con peligros afectando tierra. Esta es tormenta tropical. Jebi es una palabra coreana por un pájaro. Creo que sí. Con Jebi hay unos pocos avisos en efecto. En Hong Kong hay una señal número 3 para vientos o por vientos fuertes 41 hasta 62 kilómetros por hora o no sé cuál es la palabra en español. Y en China hay un aviso azul de tifón, sí, y este es el mapa del vientos, creo que sí, pero no puedo leer Chinese. ¿Chinese? No sé la palabra para Chinese. Sí, es la verdad. En el Atlántico, Pacífico. En el Pacífico hay un huracán Gil. Pero Gil es más lejos, es lejos de tierra, no sé, y no hay ningún peligro afectando tierra. Es muy bien, no sé. Y se prevé que Gil continúa debilitándose en el futuro. Entonces, no sé si Gil está moviendo hacia Hawaii en el máximo futuro o algo así. Y por aquí hay una zona de probabilidad 50%, no sé. ¿Cuál es la palabra? 50, sí. Y en el Atlántico hay una zona de probabilidad baja, 20%. Y es todo para hoy. Sí, es todo para hoy. Sí, aquí y aquí. Y ahora in English. Yes, where I can speak it. So we've got Huracán Gil. Huracán Gil is the strongest storm out there at the moment. However, since Gil is so far away from land, there are no land hazards associated with this storm. And the forecasting in the future, Gil is going to be debilitating, weakening, that's the word. So I don't know if Gil will make it anywhere near Hawaii. And of course, the spaghetti models as of this moment don't even reach anywhere near Hawaii. And then we've got this area. Oh, by the way, it is August 1st, so the NHC has started doing 5-day outlooks. So here was the non-helpful bit. If you go, the cyclocane does not yet support this, but if you go read the text of it, it'll say it's a 50% chance of tropical cyclone formation the next 48 hours for this one. And then a 50% chance in the next 5 days. And it was the same story with this, where it's 20% chance for the next 48 hours, 20% chance for the next 5 days. So far, you know, neither of them have taken advantage of the fact that they can now have differing opinions or something of the sort. So yes, apparently both of these, I don't know, maybe this thing will turn into something, but apparently not. 50% in the next 5 days is actually not. I don't know, that could go either way, right? 50%, half chance of one, half chance of the other. And then we've got Tropical Storm Jebi. Jebi being the word for a swallow, some kind of bird or something in the Korean language, right? Jebi, where they've got in Hong Kong, they're up to a signal number 3 for winds 41 to 62 kilometers per hour. And then China has a blue warning of typhoon, which I think is basically the preliminary, hey, something's on the way type of advisory. And here is what I think is their wind map. I think that might be the Beaufort scale. I'm not sure about that. Yeah, I don't know much about that at all. Right. And of course, the spaghetti models, it's a big mess with this. But this is obviously completely out of date. This is several days old, so that needs to get fixed. Lots of things need to get fixed with the spaghetti models in the Northwest Pacific. But that is what is going on right now. Yes. So now we move on to severe thunderstorm weather in the United States only, where we talk about the watches that are in effect as in the moment. Tornado watch for Nebraska and South Dakota. And then we've got severe thunderstorm watches out there. Here are the warnings in effect as of the time I load the page. So we've got some severe thunderstorm warnings over there, severe thunderstorm warnings over there, some flash flood warnings all over the place. In general today, the biggest thing to talk about is the hail. Literally the biggest thing. But we'll get to that soon. So here is the wind map showing the probability of 58 mile per hour and greater winds. So here is your biggest threat to date, Nebraska with the 30%, but that's quite a few states affected by at least a 5, and then quite a few states along here affected by at least a 5%. So hail-wise, this is the map showing the probability of, well, two things today. In general, there's the probability of 1 inch or larger hail at all, and then what happens to overlap with the highest chance today, the 30% chance area, is also where the black-hatched area is today, which indicates the increased threat of significant hail, which instead of just 1 inch or larger, 2 inch or larger. Tornado-wise, less of a threat. However, 5% is a pretty big number for the tornado threat. So pretty much this area of Nebraska doesn't quite overlap on all of these. But pretty much Nebraska is the bullseye today for the tornadoes, the hail, and the winds. Yes. Tomorrow, we've got a 15% chance, at least as of now. That's what it is. But again, with a quite large area of 5% chance. Yes. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. And Cyclocane is CYCLO. Come on, where's my satellite, man? CYCLO, CANE.com. And that is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.